Hi, my name is Brenda Pearson. Today, I'm going to show to you how to make hand sanitizer using some of the essential oils in this starter kit. So let's get started. The key to DIY hand purifier that works: the proper amount of germ-killing alcohol. According to the Centers for Disease Control, or CDC, hand purifier must have 60% alcohol content in order to be effective. To make hand sanitizer, we need isopropyl alcohol, jojoba oil or B6 oil, aloe vera gel, Thieves oil, peppermint oil, and empty spray bottle. First, add 2/3 cups of isopropyl alcohol and 1/3 of aloe vera gel. Then add a teaspoon of jojoba oil and then add 20 drops of peppermint oil and 20 drops of Thieves oil. Then mix thoroughly. Then put the mixture into the glass empty spray bottle. And shake it before you use it. Remember, hand purifier is a good solution when soap and water are unavailable, but the CDC recommends opting for the classic soap and water method whenever possible. So that's our DIY for today. I hope you like it. And please leave some comments and give me your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye for now.